Get it?
I'm getting it.
All right.
High definition too.
Good deal. HD TV.
Yeah. What is it?
It's a gold cube. Watch the material come down the come down there. You see the very last thing that goes down there is black sand. That's our first degree of separation. We're causing all the dirt to go down fast ahead of the heavies, the black sands and the golds and stuff. When it drops down in that trough, we go into our G4 separator. Our G4 separator has a centrifugal force that blasts the gold like a centrifuge all the way to the outside edge. So it's going to blast the gold to the outside edge of the trough. The gold that makes it to the outside edge is barely going to creep over this edge here in our low pressure zone. The low pressure zone is caused by the water and the other lighter material blasting up and coming over it. So all this gold, that zone right there, is all protected by that low pressure and protected by that high volume. Now, when you get gold on this tray right here, the very first tray is going to have 90% of the gold in the entire unit. We have one of our customers in New Zealand was actually dealing with 100% black sand. His low pressure zone on that very first tray held 1.2 grams, ounces. 1.2 ounces of 50 minus gold, little stuff. His last tray, you can't even see the gold in there. It's 0.2 grains is what was in that last tray. That 0.2 grains equals 3/100ths of 1% of his total cleanup was in that last tray. So almost nothing made it to the last tray, but some did. And I guarantee you some made it off into the pile too. You can't get 100% of the gold. But what this thing will do for you is it will capture more gold quicker than anything out there. We put this up against about 1,800 different kinds of common prospecting equipment. It actually works 10 times faster than anything else and is more accurate than anything else. The hardest gold we could find, we put it to the test, 100 pounds, 100 pieces of gold. Everything else took about 2 hours to run that 100 pounds. This took 6 minutes. Everything else was getting between 30 and 38 pieces of those 100. This got 98 of them. It was at that point we decided it was time to go to manufacturing. A 3-stack is good for chunky. A 4-stack is good for flat gold. A 3-stack is $329.95. 4-stack is $419.95. If you want the stand and the pump, that makes it a deluxe. A deluxe 3-stack is $389. A deluxe 4-stack is $479. 1,000 pounds an hour, cup and a half cleanup.